Hello everyone, this is Prabjeettrehan and it's my 10-minute beauty routine video. So let's start. So I have this Tatcha moisturizer. So first I'll quickly start with this moisturizer. I need to prep up my skin. Very less quantity. And now tint time. So I have this Huda Beauty tint. This is very amazing. So I'll take just one drop of this tint. I will also take Rare Beauty Luminizer. I'll mix both the things together. 10 minutes makeup. I don't use any blender or a brush. I really feel like, हाथ से बहुत अच्छे से smudge or blend हो जाता है. And next step is optional because as you can see, I have a discoloration skin and pigment on my skin. So I have to have concealer apply. I really love this concealer. I'll blend this smoothly all over the area where I applied this. Apply this on my eyelid. Tint on the cheeks. I have this NARS very nude color. I'll take one drop of this and I'll make C curve. Eye on the nose, slightly on my chin area. Beautiful nude shade. Contour time. Take this because I need to have dimensions to my face. As I'm wearing brown today, so I really need to have, tan look. And blend this with brush. After that, I'll apply this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I have this Huda Beauty with the light brown shade. I'll just quickly give pink brown shade on my eyelids. I won't take much of this color because, this is no makeup look. Very light. I'll take very light blusher just to slightly, give tint, brown color tint on my eyelid. So very small quantity and blend. That's it. I took very less quantity and I won't take any shimmer because, as I said, this is no makeup look and really want to have matte look to my, on my face. And in coffee look today, I'll apply the brown kajal on my eyelids. Doesn't have to be perfect because any which was I'll blend this out. The same Huda Beauty palette, I'll take the light brown color with the same brush. Really a matte look. It's look good. I'll apply the same kajal at the bottom lash line. Volumizer mascara. So final touch-up time. I have this MAC pencil. So क्योंकि हम nude look कर रहे हैं, so I'll go for the proper nude color. So I'll do outline with this dark brown color and then fill with the light brown. This is the light brown color. I'll fill inside this. Now here's time. As you can see, I have too much volume in my hairs bouncing. So if you want to learn how I had achieved this, volumize, you can, look at my previous video. I'll share the link in the description. So you can please go there and check how I had, given so much fluffiness to my hairs. Now, as I said, you can carry this look in the party, in any kitty party, your office. So I'll make a simple pony. That's it. So simply tuck my hairs with the rubber band and there you go, and just simply pull this up because this is the benefit of this fluffiness. If you pull this will give you very amazing look. See. So that's all for today. I hope you like this look, which is we have done in just 10 minutes and very quick. Do follow me for more such updates. And if you really like this look, please comment to me. Ta-da!